Heart attacks strike when we least expect it, often with little to no warning. Every year, millions fall victim, but it doesn't have to be that way. Today, we're looking into 9 surprising heart attack causes that might be closer than you think. Stick around to learn how to protect your heart and avoid becoming another statistic. Heart attack warning: 9 surprising causes you should know. The silent triggers. Many of us think we know the typical heart attack triggers: poor diet, lack of exercise, and maybe even stress. But some triggers are silent, lurking in our daily lives without us even realizing. Trigger number 1: poor sleep. Let's start with something that seems harmless: sleep. Did you know that poor sleep quality is a major heart attack trigger? A single night of restless sleep can raise blood pressure, increase stress hormones, and strain your heart. Commit to a regular sleep routine and aim for at least 7 hours of rest to protect your heart. Mental health disorders such as anxiety, PTSD, bipolar disorder, and some medications can cause sleep deprivation. Trigger number 2: chronic stress. Next, chronic stress. Whether it's from work, family, or life in general, unmanaged stress can contribute to high blood pressure, another top cause of heart attacks. Regular exercise, deep breathing, or even a short daily walk can help you reduce stress and lower your heart attack risk. The hidden dangers in our environment. But it's not just about lifestyle. Our environment can also sneak in heart attack risks. Environmental factors like diesel exhaust, wood-burning smoke, or something like tobacco smoke when inhaled into the lungs can trigger heart attacks. Trigger number 3: air pollution. Living in areas with high air pollution increases heart attack risk. Tiny particles in polluted air can enter our bloodstream, causing inflammation and narrowing blood vessels. Keep an eye on air quality indexes and avoid outdoor activities when pollution levels are high. Trigger number 4: extreme cold or heat. Heart attack risk spikes when temperatures drop or soar. Sudden weather changes force your body to work harder to regulate blood flow, putting extra strain on your heart. In extreme weather, avoid overexertion and stay hydrated in the heat or bundled up in the cold. Surprising lifestyle factors. Some lifestyle habits may seem innocent but can lead to serious heart risks. Lifestyle habits like poor diets, lack of physical activity, as well as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a heart attack. Trigger number 5: heavy meals. A heavy meal can trigger a heart attack, especially if it's high in unhealthy fats and sugars. Large portions force your heart to work harder as blood rushes to aid digestion. Try eating smaller, balanced meals and give your heart a break. Trigger number 6: lack of movement. Sitting too long, whether it's for work or binge watching, can increase your risk. Prolonged inactivity reduces blood circulation and can lead to clots. Set a timer to stand up and move every hour to keep your blood flowing and your heart healthy. Emotional and social factors. Our emotional and social lives impact our hearts more than we might realize. Factors like social isolation, job loss, feelings of loneliness, chronic stress, prolonged anxiety, and depression all can be a factor in suffering a heart attack. Trigger number 7: loneliness and isolation. Surprisingly, loneliness can be as harmful to your heart as smoking. People who feel isolated are at higher risk for blood pressure and inflammation, leading to heart attacks. Reaching out to friends and family or joining a group activity can support your social and heart health. Trigger number 8. Anger and hostility. Uncontrolled anger is a heart attack waiting to happen. When we get angry, stress hormones flood our body, raising blood pressure and heart rate. Practice calming techniques like deep breathing or meditation to cool down and protect your heart. Physical health factors. And finally, physical health factors that are often overlooked. Allowing more blood to flow to your muscles and improving your heart's ability to pump blood to your lungs and throughout your body is a healthy way to live. Don't prevent your heart from doing its job. Trigger number 9. Poor oral hygiene. Neglecting dental health might surprise you, but it's linked to heart health. Bacteria from gum disease can enter the bloodstream, causing inflammation and increasing heart attack risk. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups are easy ways to protect your teeth and heart. Remember, each of these 9 factors may seem small on their own, but together they can significantly impact your heart health. Think of your heart as a partner that needs your daily attention and care. With just a few mindful steps, you can help keep it beating strong for years. Take it one step at a time. Maybe tonight, start with a good night's sleep. Take a short walk tomorrow, or share a meal with loved ones. Every little change adds up, creating a shield around your heart and helping you live a longer, healthier life. Don't be a statistic. You have the power to protect your heart. By knowing these triggers and making simple adjustments, you're not just protecting yourself, but setting an example for the people you care about. Heart attacks may seem unpredictable, but knowing these 9 triggers can make a world of difference. Small lifestyle changes and awareness of your environment are powerful tools to stay safe. Thank you for watching. Your heart works hard for you every day, so return the favor. If this video helped you or someone you know, please share it. Leave a comment to tell us which heart-healthy tip you'll start with. And don't forget to like the video to help spread the word.